the tuk-tuk ride at the day one of Colombo, Sri Lanka. So we're going to Petha market. Let's see what the market has. I hope it's not too crowded because we are on the long weekend of India and we see a lot of Indians in Sri Lanka. So we are at Petha market and we are trying to, get the most cheapest stuff at a very less price. Actually, I left my Michael Kors watch at home. So we were looking for a rose gold watch, which is not 500 Indian rupees, by the way. It's just 500 Sri Lankan rupees.
It was 900. I quoted 500.
Yeah, but he didn't give it. He didn't give
not
it. But you know what? All the people here in Sri Lanka are so sweet. You don't buy from them. They still are so sweet. I mean, they're like, thank you, welcome, bye-bye.
But still
Have a
we
good
have
day.
a full market to explore. I think we can get in 500.
Yeah. So like, look, this is the market behind me. There's a lot here, and I don't think Rupal is getting out of here till evening. She's planning to stay here, but I mean, we need to explore Colombo. We need to party. So here we are at Petha market. We'll let you know very soon what Rupal scams to buy and what I support her at.
Oh, this is the market where we saw the videos.
So we got scammed again, I guess. But then we bought for 7,665 Sri Lankan rupees for all of our lovely friends.
Amazing!
And we did that. Now we are kind of heading towards the temple. I think we spent a good 3 hours roaming around the market.
In the market, yeah.
Doing
and we
like-
got so many things and in decent price, I think.
Yeah, I feel it's decent. I mean, 7,665 in Indian rupees is somewhere 2,200, which is good. We've got stuff for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I think we got for 5 of our friends many things, so it's fine. We are pretty much satisfied.
And the quality and the
quality
material
is
what
good.
we were looking
But
for.
I think I was just telling Rupal that we are buying for other people. Now we can't buy for each other because we are with each other. What about us?
Exactly.
Who's buying us something? So that's something.
You should buy something for me.
What about me? So हम दो हमारे दो है ना. तेरे लिए नहीं होता है ना, मेरे लिए भी होना चाहिए ना.
Yeah, I'll get you something for you.
What?
Like some dress.
Yeah.
Look at
I
your
love
face.
it. I love dresses and she knows it. So now we're heading to this temple.
And you know what I like, right? Some any Mercedes car or Mustang
T-shirt.
and not t-shirt. I'm talking about
So
cars.
see guys, like Sri Lanka is a place where you see different old OG models of cars to, I mean, there's every type
So
of car.
today what happened morning, the model of the Jaguar was around some 1950s ka model and it was so well maintained car. I just saw one look, like 10-second I saw that car and it was so nice and there was like some 1950 ka model of this thing, Jaguar.
So after all the shopping and looking super tired and tanned, we are in Gangaramaya temple. So we're just sitting, having a little chill time. Post this, we are planning to step around the lake and then have a good lunch. I don't know, like I'm not gonna comment yet on Sri Lanka, but yeah, it's been good so far. What do you think? What's your comment on Sri Lanka?
Going great, peace, friendly people and lot of things to buy. Good place overall.
So we are at this lake which is towards Gangaramaya temple and this is like so scenic. This is like one of those places I'd love to grab a coffee and then just chill out for some time, sitting by this peaceful place. You can just hear the birds chirping. We got off for an exhibition and look at how cute this is. So we are at Irish pub. I don't know how this is gonna be. It's a cool space. It's super dark. Yep. So we are finally at Irish pub having our lunch, so-called lunch at 5 o'clock. I think. What's the time right now? 4:26. But nothing is better without a beer. So we ordered the beers, chilling out on our first day in Colombo. And I think post this we shall, go back to the hostel, take a bit of nap, and then we plan to cover Galle Face Beach and also see the party life in Colombo. So let's see how that goes.
2 hours later.
Bro, मैं responsible नहीं हूँ bro. तूने ऊपर से कूद के क्या किया? Figuring a beach club in Sri Lanka amidst the railway tracks is my current life situation.
1 eternity later.
So we are eating in this Barracuda beach bar, and I thought because I'm coming with my vegetarian so-called friend, I would not get the opportunity to eat seafood. I'm so happy because I'm eating crab and she's eating veg noodles, coping up with me. Oh my god, look at this. No, I can't. Not at all. And then that's the bread. And then this is the blackberry beer. And this is the lime lager beer. So that's almost to an end to our day one in Colombo. You tell me also out of 10, what would you rate Colombo right now?
So basically what I wanted, I always had a dream where I want to just sit nearby a beach and with a beer and just want to enjoy with my loved ones. And I literally had that moment today. I was literally sitting in front of the beach and I was having my beer, my food, my dessert with you. And also after that I went to I went into the sea and I stand there for 10 minutes. My legs are inside the water. It was so nice, so cold water. It was like dream got fulfilled for me. It was so nice, and I will give, as I told you, 10 out of 9. And two reasons.
9 out of 10, okay.
9 out of 10. There are some people are so creepy, right? And that's the worst part. Like, if any woman is, like walking in the road, and the thing is like, fine, you came in, you commented, right? If the girl is not interested, you should just go. And the guy should understand, the person should understand that the person person is not comfortable. So it's just a creepy thing.
We'll tell you, okay, since she's brought this topic out. So I mean, we're not blaming Sri Lankans. Sri Lankans have been absolutely loving. They've been absolutely kind. They've been absolutely generous in the kind of treatment we've been getting. I don't think any country treats outsiders so well, foreigners so well. But I think sometimes our own country people bump into us in a different country
and make you feel so uncomfortable.
Exactly. So that's one of the situations we battle today. But we being strong, independent women,
we know how to.
But then this is just a heads up for all those women who are watching this vlog that, I mean, you will, come into these kind of situations in life a lot more times. You travel countries, you travel cities, you travel states, you travel even within districts, right? You will find this. But that should not stop you from doing what you love to do.
Exactly.
And that didn't stop us from doing what we love to do, because she went to the beach, I was by the beach, I was sitting down, I was calm. And that was our purpose of this entire day one in Colombo, that we spend the time with each other and let that time be quality time and let it be a, very, very, very peaceful time spent, because I think we're taking a vacation after such a long time and we really deserve this, because we've bloody work hard at our offices, at our individual lives, personal lives, professional lives, that we really deserve a holiday like this, right? So every woman who's watching this vlog, a thing like this happens to you in a city, state, country, irrespective, should not stop you to, you know, take a decision of traveling ahead in your life, because these kind of situations make you
Nobody
stronger.
can stop you. This
Absolutely. Now she gave 9 out of 10 to Colombo. I think I will give a 7 out of 10, because I had seen Malaysia, Singapore. I had come with a certain set of expectations. Obviously, every place is different. You cannot compare. But I'm telling you, 7 out of 10 goes mostly to all the people who have been actually serving us. Sri Lankans, they've been absolutely loving, absolutely kind, absolutely generous. So I mean, this is something which, you know, every foreigner deserves to be treated in a foreign country they actually visit, right? So that's it for our day one's vlog of Colombo. I am super happy that Hum Do Hamare Do happened, and both of us are here ending our day one vlog very successfully and happily.
See you tomorrow.
Yep, we'll see you tomorrow. It's already 12:30. We gotta catch a train tomorrow early in the morning, and we'll take you around with us to the place we go tomorrow. Till then, stay tuned and come back again to watch the part 2 of Hum Do Hamare Do. Bye.
Bye.